This is the simple tactile for the story Wolf Came Wolf, but we have changed the wolf to tiger because my son wanted it as tiger. And it's not a very elaborate tactile, it's a very simple one, easy to make, and my son's tactile sense is quite good, so I've kept it quite simple. So here in the first frame we have the boy. So all humans are depicted as circles, which has been made using 3D glitter glue, and have used woolen for the sheep. So it's a boy who's a shepherd. He takes his sheep to the hills or just to graze the grass, and he gets bored one day and shouts, "Tiger, tiger!" So the village people come with their sticks in order to protect the sheep and the boy. But when they come to know that the boy was just joking, so they go back. And then again the next day the boy jokes by screaming, "Tiger, tiger!" And again the three men come to find that the boy was just joking and there's no tiger. And the third day the tiger really comes and he shouts, "Tiger, tiger!" But no one comes, thinking that the boy is still joking. So we have a tiger here. So all animals are depicted in the shape of oval. So here's a tiger. How do you know it's a tiger? I have put one characteristic of the tiger in the tactile, that is stripes. So since it has stripes, it's a tiger, and it's a shape of oval, so it is an animal. So animal with the stripes is the tiger. We just put a tail for fun. So the tiger comes, eats the sheep, and all that's left is the remnants of the sheep. And what happens to the boy? So I just pasted a cardboard piece and told that this is a rock. So the boy hides behind the rocks.